using many use. So if we PLC using this device and many industrial systems PLC using, because PLC working and PLC data input output, PLC processing, PLC programming, all process, all system we show these videos. So guys, this full, if you want to learn full course the PLC, then step by step see my videos. Here I will starting at first zero to start PLC course. So I show you how to work PLC and PLC uh, program. I processing step by step. Just wait. I mean, I discussion about all PLC. Just waiting for the good result. Okay. So guys, everyone see the videos carefully, and PLC codes starting. Uh, so I will check it and I provided it PLC courses when the all materials collected. I am show you previous videos somethings and middle to PLC courses. And now I starting zero to start PLC course. So everyone checking it, I think you can learn how to work all process and all system. Okay, dear friend. So